Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a PS5 game that won't install because of PS5 error CE-107880-4. Place your PS5 on a flat surface so you can clearly access the PS5 ports and buttons. Start by powering off your PS5 completely using the PS5 power button. Wait for the PS5 power light to fully shut down before touching any cables. Gently unplug the PS5 power cable from the back of the PS5. Unplug the PS5 HDMI cable to reset the PS5 video connection. Now unplug any external drives connected to the PS5 USB ports. Leave the PS5 without power for at least 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, reconnect the PS5 power cable firmly into the PS5 port. Reconnect the PS5 HDMI cable back into the PS5. Press and hold the PS5 power button until you hear the second beep to enter PS5 safe mode. On the PS5 screen, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Using your PS5 controller, choose Clear System Software Cache to refresh the PS5 system files. Once the PS5 restarts, try installing your PS5 game again. If the PS5 game still won't install, return to the PS5 home screen. Open PS5 settings and scroll down to PS5 storage. Check if your PS5 has enough free space for the game installation. If your PS5 storage is nearly full, delete and use PS5 games or apps. Highlight a large PS5 game and press Options on your PS5 controller. Select Delete to clear space on the PS5 drive. Try reinstalling the PS5 game once more. If the PS5 game continues to fail, go back to PS5 settings. Select PS5 Save Data and Games/App Settings. Go to PS5 Save Data for PS5 games. Delete any corrupted PS5 save data files. Reboot your PS5 to refresh the PS5 system. Now reinsert the game disc into the PS5 if you're using a disc-based PS5. Clean the PS5 disc gently using a microfiber cloth. Slide the disc into the PS5 disc slot slowly and let the PS5 read it. If it's a digital PS5 title, return to the PS5 library. Select the PS5 game and choose Retry Download. If the PS5 still shows CE-107880-4, open PS5 settings again. Scroll to Network on your PS5 menu. Select Test Internet Connection on the PS5. Wait for the PS5 to finish the network test. If the PS5 test shows weak connection, move your PS5 closer to the router. Or connect your PS5 using a LAN cable for a stable PS5 download. Restart your PS5 again after fixing the PS5 network. Now try installing the PS5 game once more. If the PS5 installation still fails, turn off the PS5 again. Hold the PS5 power button and re-enter PS5 safe mode. Select Rebuild Database to reorganize PS5 game files. Wait as the PS5 builds a fresh database. Once done, return to the PS5 home screen. Select the PS5 game and start installation again. If you still get the PS5 error, go back into PS5 settings. Open users and accounts on your PS5. Choose Other and select Restore Licenses on the PS5. Wait for the PS5 to finish restoring licenses. Now restart the PS5 again. Try installing your PS5 game now. If the PS5 still fails, open PS5 settings once more. Navigate to System on the PS5. Select System Software on the PS5. Choose Update System Software to patch the PS5 OS. Allow the PS5 to install the newest update. Once the PS5 restarts, try installing the PS5 game again. If nothing works, connect the PS5 to safe mode one more time. Select Reset PS5, Keep Games and Apps to fix deep PS5 errors without wiping data. After the PS5 finishes resetting, reinstall your PS5 game, and the CE-107880-4 error should be gone.